Welcome to the HardReset.Info phone, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So to do that, we should press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click here on this bell icon and select this one. Now we can see that our calls and notifications, they will be muted, and this means that the silent mode successfully activated on our Nothing phone device. If you want to turn it off, just click once again, press up or down volume button and click and switch it to this bell icon, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.